Welcome to the Shoes of Prey designer page. Now, first things first. What you need to do is choose one of the 7 starting designs. Then, once this is loaded, you can start picking the components of the shoe. Now the first one is toes. All you need to do here is scroll through using the arrows and choose which toe you'd like to use for your shoe. Next, you can choose the back of the shoe. There's sling backs, closed backs, and heel caps. Next, you can choose the decoration. Here we have bows, buckles, rosettes, and much, much more. Lastly, select your heel shape. Some of the heel shapes have specific heel heights allocated to them. So for example, if you choose to have a platform on your shoe, you'll only be able to choose a 3.5 or 4.5 inch heel. But if you choose without a platform, then you'll only be able to choose anywhere from a 1.5 to 3.5 inch heel. So just keep this in mind as you're designing. Choosing materials for your shoes is very easy. All you need to do is go to the sidebar, scroll through all of the materials available and the colours in each of those materials. When you've found the one that you love, click on it and then click on the panel of the shoe that you'd like to fill in with that material. In our designer, if it's not possible to create that part of the shoe with that particular material, so for example, if you wanted to have a rosette, it would have to be made out of silk. Our designer will then apologise to you profusely and invite you to create that particular element of the shoe out of a material that's appropriate. Once you finish designing your shoe, you can either save it or you can buy it. Now, as you go to press the save or the buy now button, you may get an error message that says that you haven't finished designing your shoe. What this means is that you've just missed a section of the shoe. So we commonly see this with heel covers not being covered with a material or a particular strap on the shoe, just small details. So have a quick look and finish off that part of the shoe and then try saving or buying again. If you hit the save button, you'll be invited to create an account with us. Once you've created that, you can save your shoe to your account and then you can share your design with friends through Facebook, Twitter, or by sending them the unique URL that's been assigned to your design. If you hit the buy now button, you'll also be invited to create an account with us, but we'll also ask you for your shipping address, your sizing details, and then you'll be put through to our secure payment system. If you're having any troubles designing or you have any questions through the design process, please give us an email at hunter@shoesofprey.com and we'll be only too happy to help you out.